my name is Eddie Tofpik. I'm Head of Technical Analysis and Senior Markets Analyst at ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here is your daily technical analysis of Brent crude oil and spot gold.
ICE Brent crude oil futures. A fifth bullish white soldier yesterday and a first clear close above all the moving averages since late April. There's also a first clear close over the 50% Fibonacci line of the September to December 22 move at 84.99, and importantly, a fourth consecutive close over the dark blue upper trend line, currently 81.74, of the April to June bearish expanding wedge pattern. Overall, in very early May, the market broke down below the bright red highlighted December 2023 to late April 2024 lower bull channel line. And this gave some potentials below for this pattern. Thus, we had a primary target in the 78 even zone with a secondary hard to reach target X2 down in the 72.30 zone. 2 weeks ago, the primary target was reached, but target X2 is still live further down, and I'm increasingly debating whether to retire this potential target given the recent break higher. Additionally, we had a mid-March to end of April head and shoulders top with a purple neckline just above the market where we are now, currently at 87.22. On this pattern, both the primary target in the 82.63 zone and the harder to reach secondary target down in the 79.41 zone have been reached. However, that is not the end of the matter, as with this break higher from the dark blue bearish expanding wedge pattern, it would seem appropriate to lay out some potentials for this pattern on top. Thus, the primary target X would be in the 89.45 area, with a harder to reach secondary target X1 up in the 92.05 area. Well, so far today, a slightly higher open, but a pullback down to test the 50% Fibonacci line at 84.99, which it has weathered, but then it's not really trying much higher than yesterday's high at the moment either. Spot gold. A third countering bullish piercing line pattern, bullish double and outside day combination yesterday. It highlights the current larger scale indecision, multi-day indecision based around the breached bright red lower time, currently at 23.21. As I say, the bright red highlighted lower time of the early October 2023 to mid-February 2024 bullish Andrews pitchfork, and it's capped for now by the green highlighted short medium moving average, currently at 23.43. There is in here multiple questions in multiple layers. To start with, is the action since mid-March, is it still a possible bullish halfway hesitation? Next, we saw the attempted bear flag formed over the middle to late May, which didn't quite reach all its potential on the downside, but still managed a fair effort. Is the action over the last 2 weeks, is this action forming another bear flag or not? Is instead the whole action since late March today, is it instead a possible double, if not possible triple top? My problem is I can see potentials in all of these, and the market is not yet giving a clue on which pattern, if any of these, maybe something else, in which pattern, if any of these, it will choose. So far today, a slight move higher, but the market is seemingly content to stay above the bright red lower time and capped by the green short medium moving average.
Thank you for listening. This short version broadcast gives essential market patterns and consequences. Please be aware of the risk disclaimer posted both at the front and the back of this broadcast. Copyright is Eddie Tofpik and ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here comes the final important bit.